Thanks to the complete team. All had done great efforts for putting this, pushing me do and go ahead and outreach the numbers. Although I'm still lagging on these numbers, but then yes, because of some health issues, I'm still trying my best to reach those numbers. I think the way whereby I'm still lagging is on the sales. Today I did one sales call. Somehow the person was Indian, but he is living in some other country, Virginia somewhere. He was again trying to explore the various ways of LinkedIn outreach. He was actually doing startups, mentoring, and career coaching. He said, like, Manish, I can't change my profile at the moment. So right now I'm just exploring the ways. But yes, definitely, as you mentioned, he is actually going to do lead gen, then he will definitely come back to me. That was the sales call which has ended. This
बहुत
was
बढ़िया।
a really positive note that I have been able to end. Earlier sale calls, that was the person he was not ready because the amount which had actually explored. Like I was charging 50,000 and he said like I can't go ahead beyond 15,000. That was the very difference between the amount. So that's where
कोई
the sales call didn't happen at that moment.
बस आप ये
And
समझ के चलो, बहुत
some
जल्दी सेल्स आने वाली है, नंबर्स घूम रहे हैं, ठीक है। बस ये नंबर्स टू टू थ्री थ्री
yes.
थ्री जैसे बढ़ेंगे, बहुत जल्दी सेल्स क्लोज होने, इट्स अ जस्ट फ्यू स्टेप्स अवे।